What is IUI? Intrauterine insemination is also known as artificial insemination, is a simple procedure which is called as shortly IUI. The doctor places sperm into the uterine cavity that was previously collected and processed in the lab. Before insertion, the sperm washes and removing seminal fluid. The sperm is placed higher into the uterine cavity so it bypasses the cervix. This increases the number of sperm that has a chance of meeting the egg. What is IVF? In vitro fertilization, which is called shortly IVF method. IVF is a fertility treatment in which a man's sperm and a woman's egg are combined outside the woman's body in a lab. Now doctor carefully insert the sperm to egg and fertilized the woman egg. After the fertilization, the embryo is monitored carefully to determine when transfer to the uterus should be made. What are the biggest differences between IUI and IVF? The key difference between IUI and IVF is that in IUI, fertilization takes place internally. That is, the sperm is injected directly into the woman's uterus. So, if fertilization is successful, the embryo implants there as well. With IVF, fertilization takes place externally or outside of the uterus in a lab. The sperm and the egg are combined for fertilization, and after this process, one or more of these successfully fertilized eggs would be placed in the woman's uterus, which causes in pregnancy and delivery of a full-term babies. IVF has higher success rates than IUI. This is called sperm, which is world's most powerful liquid substance. On the other hand, this is called eggs, which releases by woman in every month. The fertilization of a woman egg is very dramatic. So today in this video, I will discuss how actually a woman egg fertilized. So welcome to today's new episode. Penetration. The first condition to fertilize an egg is penetration. That means the sperm need to penetrate egg. When the sperm penetrates the egg, the surface of the egg changes so that no other sperm can enter here. At the moment of fertilization, the baby's gender also formed within a week. The cells start to divide. The fertilized egg starts to growing fast and divided into many cells. Then after 3 to 4 days, it leaves the fallopian tube and enters the uterus. Baby's development. After the egg attaches to the uterus, some cells become the placenta, while others become the embryo. After that, the baby developed gradually from week 5 to week 40, which grow from embryo to complete baby. The male reproductive system is specially designed to produce, store and transport sperm. The male reproductive organs are on both the inside and outside of the pelvic cavity, where male reproductive system contain testicles, epididymis, vas deferens, accessory glands, seminal vesicles, and prostate. There are a lot of people have no idea about sperm production. So today in this video I will show where are sperm produced, how sperm are produced, and how long does it take to produce new sperm. So welcome to today's new episode. Where are sperm produced? Sperm production occurs in the testicles, which transfer through vas deferens, and finally it finished with ejaculation. A healthy man can produce millions of sperm every day. How sperm are produced? There is a system of tiny tubes in the testis. These tubes contain different hormones. Where testosterone hormone, the male sex hormone, turn into sperm. The testes produce this sperm when a male near to ejaculation. When the tails push the sperm into the tube behind the testicles called the epididymis, Once the sperm leaves the epididymis, it moves into the vas deferens. When a man is stimulated for sexual activity, sperm mixes with seminal fluid. The whitish fluid produced by the seminal vesicles and prostate gland to form semen. As a result, semen is stimulating, which contains up to 500 million sperm cells. The sperm is forced for ejaculation. How long does it take to produce new sperm? The process of transition from a germ cell to a mature sperm capable of fertilizing an egg takes approximately 2.5 months. Your testicles are constantly producing new sperm in spermatogenesis. The full process takes about 64 days. During spermatogenesis, your testicles make several million sperm per day, about 1500 per second. By the end of a full sperm production cycle, you can regenerate up to 8 billion sperm. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.